Are you sick of your warehouse or workbench being a complete disaster? Well, your problems are over if you get this power tool organizer from KSVO. I'm Gina with WTI, and I put that up in our workshop so that we could actually find the tools that we needed and have everything right in the same place. It comes with a 6 outlet power strip. Because our chargers are all different sizes, I wasn't able to fit all of them on the top shelf, but as you can see, we have plenty plugged in. I was able to put additional ones on the second shelf, and if you would even believe it, they have a spot for you to put drill bits and other odds and ends so that they are easily locatable. This even comes with a locking drawer and spaces for things like a grinder or hammers and pliers. The sky is really the limit with what kind of tools you want to put on this. My husband put this together for me in a short amount of time, and it is super solid. This can hold up to 300 pounds, which is so nice because I'm piling a ton of tools on this. So whether you're looking to just tidy things up or maybe you have a small space, either way, you need this tool rack and you're going to love it. And that's my point of view.